Welcome to you YouTube official channel Unity College. I, Sumit Pathak, Professor, Unity College of Nursing. It is my pleasure to address you today on a very important and timely topic, novel profession in nursing. Expanding horizons beyond traditional roles, nursing is no longer limited to bedside care alone. In the 21st century, nursing is evolved into the dynamic, multidisciplinary and highly respected profession offering diverse career opportunities across healthcare education, research, technology and leadership. Evolution of nursing profession. Traditionally, nurses were seen mainly in caregivers in hospitals. However, with the advancement in medical science, digital health, public health needs and global healthcare system, the role of nurse has expanded tremendously. Today, nurses are leaders, researchers, educators, entrepreneurs, policy makers, technology innovators. This evolution has given rise to novel and emerging professions in nursing, creating vast career pathway for our students. Advanced clinical nursing roles. One of the most significant development is the emergence of advancement practice nursing. This includes nurse practitioners, clinical nurse specialist, nursing anesthetics, nurse midwives. These professionals are trained to diagnose illness, prescribe medications, manage chronic disease, provide specialized patient care. Such roles improve healthcare accessibility, especially in rural and undeserved areas, and elevate nursing as an independent professional discipline. With the integration of technology in healthcare, nursing informatics has emerged as a novel and promising field. Nurses informatics manage electronic health records, analyze patient data, improve healthcare quality through technology, support telemedicine and AI-based healthcare system. This profession blends nursing science with informatics technology, making it ideal for nurses invested in innovation and digital transformation. Research, academics and evidence-based practice. Another vital area in nursing research and academics, modern nurses' contribution to evidence-based practice, clinical trials, health policy formulation, quality improvement initiative. Roles include nurses researcher, nurse educators, academic scholar and doctoral level science. These professionals shape the future of healthcare by generating scientific knowledge and mentoring the next generation of nurses, community, public health and global nurses. The growing focus on preventing health care has highlighted the importance of community and public health nursing. Novel roles include public health nurse specialist, school health coordinators, occupational health nurse, disaster and emergency response nurses, global health nurses working with WHO, UNICEF and NGO. These nurses play a crucial role in health promotion, disease prevention and population health management. Entrepreneurship, leadership and policy making. Today, nurses are also becoming healthcare entrepreneur, health administrator, nursing consultants, health policy advisors. They lead nursing startups, home healthcare services, wellness centers, training institutes. Such roles empower nurses to influence healthcare system, policies and leadership decisions at national and international level. Manage for our nursing students. Dear students, nursing is not only just a job, it is a profession with limitless opportunities. Choose your career path based on your interest, your passion, your vision for your society. Invest in higher education, skill development, research, innovation, ethical practice. Remember, the future of healthcare depends on competence, confident and compassionate nurses. In conclusion, novel profession in nursing reflects the strength, versatility and global relevance of our profession. As a professor, I strongly encourage every nursing student and professionals to embrace lifelong learning, adaptability and leadership, and to explore these emerging roles with confidence. So let us work together to uplift nursing strength, healthcare system, and serve humanity with excellence. Thank you.